there, it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today we have the first of our 2 videos for our Hero Arts monthly kit. So we are taking a little break in my backgrounds technique mini series because I didn't want to miss out and get out of sync like we did before with my kit, so I wanted to just pop this one in, but that will continue next week, so do make sure you come back to see the rest of it. Okay, so as always with my monthly kits, I'm going to do 2 videos. One video showing you the actual contents of the kit, and the second video showing you a project made with the contents of the said kit. So first of all, this was in the kit. This is a 45 anniversary pin for Hero Arts, which is really cool. So I think that's really sweet. So that came in there today. So that's not actually to do with the kit in itself, but it's was in the box, so I thought I'd share with you. As always, it's wrapped in this beautiful tissue. I always think it makes it like a present when it arrives like that. And then we've got twine today. Normally we get ribbon, but look, we've got twine and lots of it. Wow. So let's have a look. We've got our usual stamp and die set here, and then we've got a few extra bits on this side. So let's, as always, start with the extras. So these are what I guess are actually a mixture. I was going to say consumable, but I think they're a mixture in here because we've got an ink. So we've got a semi-permanent with our ink, and then we've got consumables here with our other bits. So we have here a ink, which it doesn't actually say what it is, but it looks like a embossing ink, which would be really great because all mine are really rubbish right now. They're desperate to have a new one, so that would be really handy. Then we've got some beautiful glitter. Let me just open it over here because I can see. Wow, can you guys see that? Let's move the light onto it so you can really get a feel for the sparkle. I'm hoping you guys can really see how sparkly that is. Do you know, I'm wondering, I'm saying it's glitter, but you know, I bet it's a glitter embossing powder, isn't it? Let's have a look at the list. There's usually a list. Here we go. Purple sparkle embossing powder. Yeah, do you know why I thought that? Because look, when you look at it, can you guys just catch, there's like a dull kind of, like a matte element to it in there. Like there's sort of, you've got your glitter, your bright purple colour, and then you've got like a proper, like this purple in there, and that's actually the powder. And I was like looking at that thinking that doesn't look right, but now I understand. So then we've got some little pegs, aren't they absolutely so cute? I love those. And then some washi tape, which is actually this colour. Isn't that lovely? I really like that. It's like a pearlescent as well. And then we've got our dies and stamps. So I'm going to undo my lovely twine. This is so nice. I want to know what this one is. Does it tell us? No, it's not on the list. I really want to know what this twine is. It's really beautiful. It's like really chunky. And then we've got the stamps on this side. So this is a crafty themed kit this month. So there we go, there it is. You can see that a bit better on there. So you've got all these different crafty elements like washi tape, cards, envelopes, sending crafty hugs. I mean, that's kind of like almost our standard phrase, isn't it? On any email or message we send, we always say sending crafty hugs or crafty hugs for you. And then we've got all different kind of sentiments, and we've got art and glue and scissors and a ruler, pencils, markers, hearts. That's cool. So lots of really good crafty elements. And then on the dies, which I don't think I can take off, but I think you can see those okay. Those are obviously all the elements that will cut out. some of these, like the glue, and so that one is probably this one here. You've got your marker and pencil, you've got your scissors, paintbrush, washi tape, etc. So you've got all these different elements here that have got dies to correspond. But we've also got this great heart, which is a ball of wool, and you've also got your knitting needle here, so that's kind of cool, kind of separate extra element, which is really fun. And the heart itself has an outside die and an inner die, so you could just use the heart on its own without the wool part, or you could use the wool and cut it into your piece of card rather than cutting it out. This makes like a topper, and this makes like a, say, a card front. I mean, it's just one way of explaining it. So you've got those two different things, and as I said, then you've got all these other little elements that will correspond with these on here. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the contents of this kit. As I said, I will do a video making a project using the contents from this kit, so do make sure you go on across to the blog post to find that as well, because I'll put both this video and that video on the same blog post. You'll find a link to that blog post in the paragraph below this video where it says just click on show more, and then it'll open up and you'll see corresponding blog post and a link, so just click on that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you, if you haven't, will like to subscribe to me or here on YouTube, or even better on my website, where if you subscribe I don't send you any junk. I only send you out one email a week, or one email every time I post a video, so you will get an email into your inbox and it will take you straight to the video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.